Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all for coming along to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious looking beans stew. Over here is the beans that I'm going to be using. This is called honey brown beans. Now I'm going to be washing the beans. Once the beans is washed, I'm going to set it on. Pour it in the pot and add water and set it on the fire. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have a red bell pepper, red onion, I have a scotch bonnet pepper, and I have plum tomatoes. Now the beans is getting soft, it's getting ready. At this point, I have to add my salt. This is red palm oil. Those of you that does not know what palm oil is, this is oil that is unrefined, and it contains a lot of vitamin A. It has a lot of benefits. So for those of you that does not know about it, you can easily go and research on it. I just added drops of olive oil, and I'm going to be frying my onion on a low heat. I'm not going to fry on a high heat because that oil is going to make a lot of smoke. So I will make sure that it is not overheated. I added the onion and I'm adding paprika. I'm going to give it a quick turn. Allow the onion to simmer into the oil. So I have about a spoon of tomato paste, and I'm going to fry it and allow it to cook into the oil. This is just like frying your stew. The only difference is that I added the red palm oil. Once it is cooked, I'm going to be adding the tomatoes on the bell pepper that was blended. So this is it, combination of the tomato, onion and bell pepper. I'm going to make sure it is fried as well. You can see this sauce is looking good and is coming together. I will allow this to fry for about 2 to 5 minutes, and once it's ready, I added a spoon of crayfish. We call it crayfish, but it is a shrimp that is dehydrated or dried shrimp that is blended together, whichever one you call it, crayfish or dry shrimp. So I added it to the sauce. This takes it to another level of deliciousness. Once my sauce is well fried, I will go ahead and start adding my already cooked beans into the sauce. So this is the beans, and I'm sinking it into the sauce. The way it's looking, you can tell that this will be really delicious. It's already looking it. So I have to mix the stew together with the beans. This is a good meal. This is rich in protein. This is what you use to feed your kids, and they will grow up looking nourished. Okay, guys, so my base is ready. As I finish mixing the sauce into it, I will allow it to simmer for between 2 and 5 minutes. And here it is, ready, gorgeous, looking beautiful. Just look at it. Who will not be happy to eat this? Who will not be happy to eat this? I just want to say thank you to every one of you that comes to watch my video. Please, I will appreciate if you subscribe and leave me a comment until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.